name is GJ. I'm the operation manager here at Brons Steelworks. The type of work we focus on is a lot of structural steel buildings, like the one we're standing in here now. Actually, we manufactured ourselves, and also a lot of ornamental driveway gates. PCR 41 has probably cut down our operation time 75%. The way we used to process all this material was measuring out all the holes, mag drilling everything, cutting it out on the saw. Now this takes care of all that in one shot. So it does all our holes, does our copes for beams fitting together. It scribes the lines where all our plates get fitted and welded. When we designed this building, our plan was to incorporate a coping machine robot like this one here. And after looking at various options, various companies, ProDevco had the best solution for us and the most economical as well. So when we were looking for a coping machine for our facility, we looked at various options, and the PCR 41 and ProDevco, the team there, they were by far the best and just the easiest to work with. During the installation, during setup, during all the learning, the staff was wonderful. They're really helpful, and they even have a built-in program so they can view right into the system, view any, if we have any issues that pop up, they can just log right in, see what's going on, figure it out right away, and it just works really great.